Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video, an update on SUI. We're covering it again. We'll take a brief look at the fundamentals for SUI. I still think that's valuable and especially interesting. And I don't brief moment. Hopefully, I'll cut that and edit that out. Hope I don't forget. But we'll take a look at the fundamentals for SUI. Then we'll take a look at the technicals, because the technicals are quite interesting right now. Yesterday we found a resistance again at 1.25, but we are really desperately trying to break above that. And you can also see right now on the chart that we are forming some sort of an ascending triangle, right? So we have this bullish momentum driving us up, and now that 1.27, 1.25 cents level is our main resistance, and that's still kind of keeping us down. So in this video, I just wanted to talk about whether we can break that or not, and just in general what to expect. Now, before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But now onto SUI. So first of all, I wanted to check out two things. I wanted to check out something about the network, how it's doing, so total value locked, but also volume. Because volume is important to get a bullish breakout like that. And you can see that yesterday when we were trying to break above our main resistance, so 1.25, 1.27, the volume was pretty high at around 430. Not as high as it was last week, but still we had the volume to break above that. And right now the volume is growing a little bit again, but it did fall down. And apart from that, if we take a look at SUI and then network statistics, what you'll see is that the total value locked is doing pretty good. Prices are also higher, of course, but the daily active addresses are just horrible right now. And kind of the same goes for daily transaction blocks. So obviously this is not enough data to really go off of, but it's showing some mixed results. So right now, what I expect from SUI is that either from where we are right now, or after some brief resistance at 1.2 and then a move down to 1.15 again, I think we're going to test that level at 1.25 again, 1.25, 1.27. And as most of you know, I think at some point of time we will be able to break above that level. Now, the most difficult question is then always when will we be able to do that? And right now, I do have some criteria. I mean, what I would like to see, or what I think we need, is with Bitcoin to break above 27,400. If Bitcoin can break above 27,400 and SUI's volume can pick up a little bit, so go towards like 400 million again, then I actually think that we can break above that level. So, okay, for the volume will probably rise with the price, right? So you don't really need to take a look at that. But Bitcoin really needs to get that bullish breakout because of the correlation that is still in the market. If Bitcoin gets that bullish breakout, I think SUI is strong enough to get to that level and to break above that too, and to rally at least up to this level around 1.35. All right, but if Bitcoin is not able to break above 27,400, or we can get above that like we did yesterday, but we do not break above that. Like, these are all spikes. These are not breaks. If something like that happens, then we will get there again, but then we'll just drop back down and probably stay in this consolidation. So drop down all the way to 1.1 and 1.07 again. So it's a pretty crucial day for SUI, I would say, because there's actually quite a lot of momentum in the market. It looks bullish for now, but we'll see how that ends, and we'll see how it ends for SUI specifically as well, because in the end, even though I'm saying something like this, I could be wrong. And if SUI if Bitcoin gets that bullish breakout, I expect SUI to get that bullish breakout as well. But if it doesn't get it, it might just not happen, and we might still have to wait a couple of weeks. So that's kind of the duality of the situation. But that's my take on SUI for today. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.